Hello everyone, today we are gonna know about explicit intent. In the last video we have discussed custom broadcast receiver, but in this video we would discuss explicit broadcast receiver. What it will work, it will send a broadcast in the same app, and it would also send a broadcast to another app. It would use intent. It would use intent to also in the same app and to send data to another app. So for both actions we would use explicit broadcast receiver. How to do it? Let's get started. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. First of all, create one intent broadcast in the same app. I have already created in the last two videos. As you have known, I have created this one and shown one toast here, sender app broadcast receiver. What I would also register it here first below this activity, and in this application tag here receiver, and it will directly on that class. Okay, now it is done. First do one thing here in this activity. Let's create one intent as we are creating for the activities. So create well intent, and first passed this context, and secondly passed the class. So example broadcast dot class Java, and send broadcast intent. This is done. This is a class, and then register it in the receiver in the manifest file, and here create one intent and pass these two. First pick this context, and the second the class. I'm gonna run this app at the last, but now what you have to do, I'm just going to show you the code, and this is done. Now what you have to do if you want to send to another app, so for that create another app, and the same create one class there in the second app, and here receiver app broadcast received, and do one thing, also register this one in the manifest receiver and example broadcast receiver, and also add this attribute to true, because you want to send from another app. You must make it true to receive the broadcast. We are sending it in the same app, so we are not this attribute, but if you want to send it to another app, you must add this one. Okay, another thing, this is done, the receiver app is done, and now what you have to do, copy this package name of the receiver app, and here in this send broadcast, delete this. It should be there. Do one thing here, add one tag well component name equal to component name, and if I copy this from this and here and add this component to intent, what intent dot set component and component name. This is done. It's Scotland. Look, if I open this one component name, it is also first receiving package and the second one class. And if I also open this one, now open this and look at this, the same package context and class. So these both are same. If I want to send it to another app, I should do it from component name, using component name. Remove this from this one, and here for package, look here, it requires package to, so here double quotes and that pass the package name. oh sorry, package name. Here copy this and pass this package name here, and in this one here pass the class. So for passing the class, you look here, it requires class. So to pass the class, first paste the package name and put dot, and here copy the same name of the class here from this and do here. After this dot, paste this. Now look, this is done. If this would be the package name and this is for class, so let me run this run this. Now here look at this. If I run this both app, look, both apps are running, and when I click on this send broadcast, look, receiver app broadcast received, which I have showed in the receiver app broadcast class. I have showed that toast and it is showing if again receiver app broadcast received. It was all about the Android broadcast explicit broadcast receiver, and if you got the idea how to do it, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and also click the notification bell to receive regular updates. Thank you.